Welcome to Rambam in Depth. Today we'll be discussing the Rambam, Hilchos Teshuvah, Perek Aleph, Halacha Gimmel. The Rambam writes as follows: Bzman hazeh, shein Beis HaMikdash kayim, ואין Mizbeach kefara, ein sham el tשובה. Nowadays, when the Beis HaMikdash is not standing, and we don't have a Mizbeach for atonement, we can't bring korbanos, chatas, asham, so there's only tשובה. The only way we could rectify our averos is not through korbanos, but only through tשובה. Every word in the Rambam is Meduyak. The Rambam writes two things: bzman hazeh, there's no Beis HaMikdash, and we have no Mizbeach. Why does he have to write both? He could have just said there's no Beis HaMikdash. What's the point in adding that there's no Mizbeach? But the answer is that the Rambam goes to shitos in Hilchos HaBechirah, two places, Perek Beis and in Perek Vav. The Rambam says, and he paskins makrivin bzman hazeh afal pi she'ein bayis, that nowadays we could be makriv korbanos in the place of the Beis HaMikdash, even though there's no Beis HaMikdash. And the Rambam's explanation is that the Kedusha Rishona, the Kedusha that Shlomo HaMelech instilled in the Makom HaMikdash, in the Beis HaMikdash, was the shaito l'asalav. It was not just for his own time, but also for the future. So that means that even without a Beis HaMikdash, you can bring all the korbanos, the Rambam holds. So if the Rambam would have just said, Makrivim ein Beis HaMikdash kayim, there's no Beis HaMikdash, that wouldn't have been enough, because why can't we bring korbanos in the Makom HaMikdash, even without a Beis HaMikdash? And the answer to that is, because even the Rambam holds that even though you can bring korbanos bzman hazeh, without a Beis HaMikdash, you need a Mizbeach. The Rambam writes that clearly, that you need the Mizbeach. So therefore, since we don't have the Mizbeach, and we don't have the Beis HaMikdash, there's the only kefara would be tשובה. The only question you could still ask is, why did he have to mention there's no Beis HaMikdash? Could have said there's no Mizbeach, because if there'd be a Mizbeach, you don't need the Beis HaMikdash for the korbanos. So it could be, this would be a big chiddush. The Tosfos in Zeivach and Atonement Beis, he writes that a mincha does not need a Mizbeach. The Rambam obviously doesn't hold like that, because the Rambam writes that because there's no Mizbeach, there's no kefara. But why can't you bring a chatas, a minchas chatas? We don't need a Mizbeach. So it's clear that the Rambam doesn't hold like Tosfos, but the Sefer Tzein Kedushim, the Pirush on the Zvachim, is mechadish that you do need the Beis HaMikdash. So even though you don't need the Mizbeach, you can be makriv the mincha and the Makom HaMizbeach, but you do need the Beis HaMikdash. But that's a big chiddush, and other Mefarshim don't agree with him. But if according to that, the Rambam is saying the reason why you can't bring korbanos is because we don't have Mizbeach for most korbanos, but even for the mincha, where you don't need a Mizbeach, but you do need the Beis HaMikdash. It's a big chiddush, and it's not mashma that the Rambam would hold like that. But anyhow, the question still remains, why does the Rambam have to say there's no Beis HaMikdash? He could have just said there's no Mizbeach. It's tzarich.